Well, a slow weekend's led to some decent chart patterns across the market. Not everywhere, but we are getting some nice consolidations. We didn't sell off into the weekend. That can always happen still, though. But we are going to take a look at Ethereum and BNB. I think those have some maybe potential entries. Bitcoin as well. So welcome to Altcoin Buzz Trading. We'll be taking a look at those tokens. And BTC over the weekend did kind of go low and slow a little bit. We curled up late yesterday, and now we're left with a cup and handle on the 2 hour time frame. That's what you see here. A little bit of an uptrend. There's your cup and a small handle forming. Volume got a little bit more elevated, which is good. So we're looking at hopefully some type of a bounce back. Stability up here, in reality, is all you're asking for. You're asking for stability. You just don't want us to roll over. We roll over again, we lose more confidence. And from that perspective, more stops get taken out and more confidence lost. And rinse and repeat that cycle. We don't want that to happen. So sideways here is fine. I like the cup and handle. Breaker from the 67,753. I'm not sure if that's going to mean we rocket back up here to all-time highs, but it does mean we're more stable up here, and hopefully we can go on to form better patterns. Some altcoins can have an opportunity to move, and then it's just a normal uptrend at that point. So I'm hoping we're going to do that, and this consolidation is completed ideally. We'll see what happens. Nothing is guaranteed in the markets, especially in the crypto markets. All right, so there's a level for BTC, and yeah, there's a lot of other altcoins with some good ones, but I think these quality names are probably good to look at. Some had a move yesterday, so I'm not highlighting those, but others are still actionable. 3508 here for Ethereum, same cup and handle situation. Good volume on this move up here, so I'm hoping we can eclipse that. And this has been a bit of a deeper consolidation. This pulled all the way back to the 50-day moving average in purple on my screen. The other one did not. It didn't quite get all the way back to purple on the BTC chart. So good volume decline. Hopefully, the stock market opens here actually in just a few minutes, and hopefully at some point during the day we'll start moving up. The stock market can sometimes bring in buyers and sellers into this market. And then BNB in a similar situation. You have an established low here, and then you have a nice cup. And this one, the volume signature isn't as bullish as an Ethereum. So you see Ethereum with a nice pop here. You get BTC with a kind of nice rising volume situation. BNB still a little bit low and slow, and the sellers just had a little bit of pressure on it, but our alert's a little bit higher at 588.50. So, a cup and handle is a continuation pattern is what it is. So it's a small uptrend. Probably means we don't get a big rally out of this, but if it can get us back up towards the highs, maybe we'll have a bigger cup and handle on our hands. But I think we're a bit more stable now than we were last week, and that's a good thing. And my point still stands from last week. You didn't have to buy these lows. Who's to say, these weren't the lows to buy? Who's to say the next low wasn't the low to buy? So those points stand. Just because we have chart patterns right now doesn't mean that we should have bought these lows. And as a matter of fact, we shouldn't have bought those lows. If you're chart pattern trading, breakout trading, which is arguably one of the more successful trading strategies if done properly, then yeah, you waited, and now you do have a couple of entry opportunities. And now I think now is when you're more likely to take your shot, and you'll probably find a manageable stop loss in a lot of these. And that's usually whenever this handle low is actually formed. That's typically your stop. Okay, on all three of these. So keep that in mind as these kind of go throughout their day here, and hopefully it works out. And I will see you guys all tomorrow on Altcoin Best Trading.